Xumo Box buffering usually happens because your internet connection isn't fast enough or there are network issues. Xumo needs at least 3 meg for SD content and 5 to 7 MB for HD. First, test your Wi-Fi speed using an app like Ookla Speed Test on your phone or computer while connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Xumo Box. If your speed is lower than the recommended levels, that's likely the cause. Other issues may include router placement or interference. Consider moving your Xumo box closer to the router or eliminating potential obstructions. Wi-Fi 6 routers can also improve performance by reducing latency. Aim for a ping of less than 50 milliseconds. If your Wi-Fi speed is adequate, the next step is to optimize your DNS settings. DNS translates website names into IP addresses, and slow DNS servers can cause delays. Change your DNS settings in your router to a faster public DNS server like Google 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 or Cloudflare 1.11.1. This can significantly reduce loading times. Finally, check your bitrate settings within the Xumo app if available. While Xumo uses adaptive bitrate streaming, which automatically adjusts quality based on connection speed, manually capping the bitrate, e.g. at 5 MB set it, may help if you have an unstable connection. Restarting your Xumo box after making these changes is also a good practice.